This week in math, we are going to be practicing capacity. Now, when we're talking about the word capacity, what we're talking about is measuring liquids, okay? The first couple days of this week, we're going to be talking about, here in America, our normal way that we measure capacity. And then later in the week, we're going to be talking about metric system capacity. So today, when you go to the grocery store and you buy some milk, you buy juice boxes, you buy anything with liquid in it, you're going to see different ways on the box of how they measure the capacity, the liquid. Before I show you some items in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how we can use one container to pour into another container and see what equals what, I'm going to show you something really neat that I've always showed my kids to remember the size and how many of this equals this. For instance, okay, when you go buy some milk, the biggest container of milk, what do you call that? A gallon. And gallon begins with the G. Okay. Make sure you can see that. Okay, G for gallon. Now, the gallon is going to be our largest capacity measure. So if we take a gallon, the next biggest that we measure with is a quart. And 4 quarts make a gallon. Quart begins with a Q. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarts equal a gallon. So I put 4 Q's inside of the gallon. Next, the next biggest measurement is a pint. Well, 2 pints equal 1 quart. So I'm going to put a P for pint. 1, 2. So there's 2 pints for that quart. 2 pints for that quart. 2 pints for that quart. And 2 pints for that quart. So then how many pints equal 1 gallon? Well, 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, so next, inside of each pint is 2 cups. Cups begins with the letter C, so I'm going to put 2 C's in every pint. So now when we look at that, we have 2 cups equal 1 pint. We have 4 cups equal 2 pints, and 4 cups equal 1 quart. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 cups equal 4 pints, and 8 cups equal 2 quarts. And 2 quarts is half of a gallon. So half of a gallon is 2, 4, 6, 8 cups. So think about it for a minute. If 8 cups is half a gallon, how many cups in a full gallon? What are you going to do to problem solve that? Double the 8 cups. And when you double 8, you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Did you say 16? Did you get it right? So there are 16 cups in a gallon. There are 8 pints in a gallon, 4 quarts in a gallon. And then when I do half, I can do 2 quarts in half a gallon, 4 pints in half a gallon, and 8 cups in half a gallon. Well, 1 quart equals 2 pints, which is also equal to 8 cups. So I can write that down here. 1 quart equals 2 pints, which equals 4 cups. All of these are the exact same. Okay? So in just a little bit, I'm going to take you into my kitchen And I'm going to show you by measuring out water how to make you believe me that 4 cups can equal 2 pints and 1 quart. And I'm going to show you how to look at labels to identify the capacity measurement, okay?